How to maintain and repair a small excavator. Please watch this video carefully. This machine is equipped with a Laodong diesel engine. Its oil drain screw is located at the bottom of the machine in this position. The engine's oil filter is in this position. This position is for the air filter of the machine. The diesel filter is located here. If you need to replace the filter, you will have to remove the screws on the top. The oil filler port is located at the top. You need to adjust the seat first. After removing the screws on the top, then open the seat. Then we can see the oil filler hole. After adding the engine oil, we can check the position of the oil through the oil dipstick. Just by taking out the oil dipstick, you can see the marked positions on it. After the fuel runs out, refill the fuel. If your machine fails to start, please follow this method to solve the problem. First, after adding the fuel, loosen this screw, then repeatedly press the hand oil pump until all the bubbles and foams are expelled. Then tighten the screw. Finally, you can press it a few more times. This is a method of removing air from the fuel to solve the problem of not being able to start the engine. When checking the circuit and the battery, please remove this cover. This is the position where the battery is placed. The red part is the positive pole and the black part is the negative pole. If you need to check the condition of the hydraulic oil, you can observe it through the hydraulic oil gauge. When adding hydraulic oil, remove the foot pads above the machine and open the cover plate. Then you can see the hydraulic oil filling port. This position is the diesel refueling port of the machine.